you're like most people, you really want to improve your health. Whether it's as simple as, 5 to 10 pound weight loss, or as serious as getting rid of your medications and diseases. And the biggest issue is you have the desire, you have the will, but you might not have the know-how. Well guys, my name is Coach Kayla. I'm an online personal trainer and nutrition coach, and I've got the perfect thing for you. Outside of our private coaching, you may be interested in that, we have our 12-week fitness and nutrition challenge for people just like you. So again, if you have the motivation to do it, you just need the know-how. Sign up for our 12-week challenge. You're going to get 12 weeks of workouts, nutrition, meals plans, accountability, support, weekly coaching calls, the entire gambit. Whether you're at home or at the gym, we've got you back. Sign up for Design Your Body Academy's 12-week challenge.